The US government hired its top alien hunter. This isn't just about strange lights in the sky. The technology behind these phenomena could rewrite our entire understanding of physics and make your phone look like a stone tool. Here's what's really happening. The Pentagon has officially brought on controversial Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb to help analyze UAPs, and his radical new plan is already underway. But the real story isn't about chasing flying saucers. It's about a global race for a scientific revolution, and the data is coming from a place you'd never expect. Meet Avi Loeb. He's not your typical Harvard department chair. In 2017, when an interstellar object named Oumuamua tumbled through our solar system, most astronomers called it a weirdly shaped comet. Loeb made global headlines by publishing a paper arguing it could be an artifact of an extraterrestrial civilization, a solar sail, or a probe. The scientific establishment was not pleased. He was called reckless, a sensationalist. But Loeb's argument wasn't based on belief. It was based on data. Oumuamua's strange, flat shape, its lack of a cometary tail, and the way it accelerated away from the sun defied easy natural explanations. Now, the same institution that often shuns UFO talk, the US government, is turning to him. Why would the Pentagon, an organization built on secrecy, partner with its most outspoken public critic on this topic? The answer isn't about validating old theories, but about building a new kind of machine. Loeb's core mission is to drag the study of UAPs from the fringe into the scientific mainstream. His solution is the Galileo Project. It's a privately funded, completely open-source scientific endeavor to systematically search for evidence of extraterrestrial technology. Forget grainy pilot videos. The Galileo Project is building a global network of advanced observatories. Each one is a suite of instruments: high-resolution optical cameras, infrared sensors, radio detectors, and audio sensors, all feeding data into an AI system. This AI is trained to filter out birds, balloons, and commercial drones, flagging only true anomalies for human analysis. This is where it gets brilliant. The Pentagon has a problem. Their best UAP data comes from classified fighter jet sensors and spy satellites. They can't release it without compromising national security sources and methods. This creates a data bottleneck and a credibility crisis. The Galileo Project solves this. It generates high-quality, unclassified, publicly available data. Now, when a Navy pilot sees something strange, the Pentagon can check if a Galileo observatory saw it too. They can use Loeb's public data to validate their own secret findings without ever revealing how they got them. It's the perfect public-private workaround. And this isn't just theory. Loeb's team is already producing results. In 2014, a meteor, designated IM-1, crashed into the Pacific Ocean. Years later, analyzing its trajectory from public data, Loeb and his team determined it came from outside our solar system, the first known interstellar object to hit Earth. More importantly, its atmospheric entry data showed it had a material strength higher than any space rock ever cataloged by NASA, and tougher than all 272 iron meteorites in their database. It was an anomaly. So, in 2023, Loeb led an expedition to the crash site and used a giant magnetic sled to dredge the ocean floor. They found over 700 microscopic metallic spheres. Analysis at Harvard and UC Berkeley shows these spherules have a composition of elements unlike anything found in our solar system. They are, scientifically, from another star system. While this doesn't prove they are technology, it proves Loeb's method works. He can find interstellar needles in a planetary haystack. And now, he's building a global network to do it 24/7. So what does this actually mean for you? If Loeb's project confirms even one object is technological, it triggers a revolution. The principles it operates on, propulsion, energy, materials, could dwarf the internet and AI combined. It would ignite a global research and development race, not for military dominance, but for fundamental understanding that could solve our biggest challenges in energy, transportation, and medicine. Secondly, Loeb's open data approach ends the era of government secrecy on this topic. Instead of relying on leaks and congressional hearings, you and scientists everywhere will have access to the raw, high-fidelity data. It democratizes discovery. The confirmation of non-human technology would be the most profound event in history, fundamentally reframing humanity's place in the cosmos. This isn't a fringe search anymore. It's a systematic, scientific endeavor, and it's happening right now. Is it more naive to believe we're being visited, or to believe that in a universe with 2 trillion galaxies, we are utterly and completely alone? The Pentagon is no longer waiting to find out. They're betting on a maverick Harvard scientist and his open-source project to finally get answers, not with speculation, but with hard data. If you want to understand the technological revolutions that will define your future, subscribe to Decoded Future and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Next week, we're going inside the lab that just hacked brain cells to eat Alzheimer's plaque. The first human trials are closer than you think. The future, arriving sooner than you think. The future, Decoded.